Good evening, good evening, good evening. You are welcome to First Aid Immigrant Solution. My name is Terime Anthony, your presenter. Please, if you've not subscribed, please try to subscribe to my channel, First Aid Immigrant Solution. So as you do that, God bless you. So my topic for today is document now. So many people have problem right now in renewing their document. The reason is this: in this COVID-19 emergency period, the Questora is shut down, which is the police station, is shut down till this emergency finish. It does not mean that you will not have document. It does not mean that your document cannot be renewed once this emergency is gone. So immediately if this emergency period is over, your questioner will renew your document according to what you requested if you meet up with the requirement. So if you know that your document has expired and you want to renew in this period, now Questura is closed down for now because of this emergency of this coronavirus. So until this emergency ends, all document process is suspended till the notification of the police station, which is the Questura. As soon as they open the Questura, they will have to notify everybody with this vital information I'm telling you now. And when they notify us that they are open, so before you can now renew your document. For those people who have problem with renewing their document, or who their document has expired due to this period, and those people that their document expire and fall in this period where this coronavirus is high, I'm talking about from January down to this period, or those people who have appointment in this period, they've shifted or they've cancelled their appointment till further notice because they don't know when this coronavirus will finish. So as soon as they notify them by the government, the tenor ministers, they will also keep us in touch. For those people who want to renew their document, please don't be afraid. You are rest assured that your document will be renewed once the police station is open. That is one of the information. And for all those people, in my previous video I dropped, I also talk about those people who are working in this period, and the government said that they will also try a means of increasing the control process. So if you are going, please don't forget to stamp the new auto certification document, which is the form that they just modified this Monday. And the things they added to it is 2 questions. You have to make sure that you are not under quarantine. That means you are not under subject those people that control the virus, or you don't have this coronavirus, you are not positive coronavirus. So those people who are positive coronavirus, who are tested positive, are expected to stay back at home and take their treatment, or stay back in the hospital while they also take their treatment. Please, in order to avoid the spread of this virus, they advise you to fill this form when you are going out for work or for health purpose. So if you are not going out for health or work purpose, or you want to go and or you want to go and purchase a drugs or medicine for your family, or you want to go and shop for your family, it's advised for you to print the new auto certification. And if you watch my previous video, which I also told you how to fill it, after you fill all your names, your document, and the expiring, and those people who gave you those documents, after you fill it, at the bottom line there is the means why you leave your house. You have to specify. If you are leaving because of work, you specify work and where you work. If you are leaving because of you want to go and shop, you also specify the purpose. Take it alongside with you, so that in case if you are being stopped And don't forget to don't throw away your receipt, so that is your evidence, because in that receipt it is clearly stated the time you pay for the items you bought, and it is stated on that receipt. So when you keep those information, if you are being stopped by the police or cops, you can prove yourself that you went there to get those things and you were not there casually on your own without a cogent reason. So that is the few information I just want to drop with my fellow Africans or viewers. So please make sure that you keep subscribing. As you do that, God bless you. I still remain your brother Anthony. Bye.